Today's video is on my recent purchase from Schuco. I purchased this from Let's Play. You can refer to their Facebook link down below. 4 cars in total. The one on the right is the Nismo exclusive Porsche 911, and the cars on the left I believe is a worldwide assortment. Schuco is a relatively new die-cast brand in my collection. We don't see Schucos in our retail stores, and for collectors especially in Europe, do share with us if you can see Schuco's products in your retail stores. Price-wise, it's also slightly lower than the TLV or equivalent. Hence, I decided to do a comparison video between the Porsche from Schuco and TLV in my next video. And also another video on the adorable Isetta versus the TLV. And now let's take a closer look at the Nismo exclusive Porsche 911 in Martini livery. It's a limited production of 2,400 pieces from Nismo exclusive and closed in the blister pack, very similar to Greenlight and M2 machines. You can see the die cut on the Schuco logo has slipped from the packaging, but it's okay. I'm going to open it. Behind you can see all the assortment for this series. I only get the Porsche Martini as I don't get them for free. And the price is also on the higher end, just like TLV. Wow, I really love this Porsche 911. I think it's money well spent. This casting really gives me the TLV look and feel. Very well executed, and I'm very happy that the wheels does roll. Really love these fine details on close-up. The iconic Martini racing livery is on point, and the paint job is flawless. The rear looks awesome, especially the rear lights. Overall, I think this Martini 911 is a winner in every aspect. Next is the VW T1 panel bus for the German police. I really love the nostalgic look and feel of this casting. It's really retro. Very simple and nice paint job on this casting. And it's interesting to note the skinny wheel sets. Love all the fine details on this casting. It makes it look very realistic and it looks great. Next is the BMW Isetta. Although it comes in the standard 1:64 scale, it's very tiny, it's very cute. I showed this to my wife, she really liked this a lot. It's a very good call by Schuco to produce this casting. I'm very happy. And I'm going to compare this Isetta with my smaller size TLV in my next video. I see the 1:1 Isetta at the Toyota Museum in Odaiba last year. I'm very impressed. It looks just exactly like your retro fridge. And one thing I feel very amazed, it comes with 4 wheels instead of 3. This Isetta is not the latest release. I got this about a month or 2, and I decided to feature this casting along with the rest. Although small, I'm very impressed that Schuco never let go of the details, and it looks very realistic just like the real thing I see in the Toyota Museum. Lastly, the Porsche 356. Simple, elegant, and really looks realistic. The paint quality on the body looks very premium, and I really love the Porsche logo on the wheel set. My only complaint is only on the rear light as it's painted, but overall this is a very well executed casting and looks hyper realistic. I've decided to do a comparison on this casting against the Porsche from TLV. Stay tuned for my next comparison video, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!